Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your own 3D cartoon animations without spending months learning Blender or Maya. So in this full tutorial, I'll show you how you can go from a simple idea to a finished 3D AI cartoon animations, beginner friendly and no experience needed. So you'll just need an AI tool for this, and I'm choosing Dreamina from CapCut to create the AI animations video. You can start by opening this page, dreamina.capcut.com, and then here you can see this is the prompt box or the text box in here. Now you can just click on this drop down and choose AI video and describe the video animations that you want to create. So in here I'm going to go with this from 3D cartoon boy with big eyes, colorful clothes, dancing on the street. And then you can set the duration and also the canvas size, also the quality, and just tap on this arrow up to create the video. Okay, so the video is now created. You can see this is the video based on my prompts. And if you want to have a voice and also music, you can just upload your voice recording or use AI text to speech. And here you can edit it on CapCut. And after that, when everything looks good, you can export the animations and drop it into a video editor. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.